Good morning everyone. On previous video we learned the about mouse from the chapter 5th. Hope you understand well, and now we are going to complete the exercise of chapter 5. So let's see from page number 42, filling the blanks. A mouse helps us to select dash on the screen. As we have already learned that a mouse helps us to select an item on the screen. So here we will fill item. A mouse helps us to select item on the screen. Next is a mouse contains a dash wheel. We have learned that a mouse contains two buttons, left and right, with a scroll wheel in between two buttons as shown in the picture. So here we will fill scroll. A mouse contains a scroll wheel. Number 3, pressing a mouse button gently is called dash. So pressing a mouse button gently is called click. Here we will fill click. Pressing a mouse button gently is called click. Now answer these following questions. Question first, write any two functions of mouse. It helps us to move mouse pointer and to select items on the screen. A mouse is used to drag and drop an object to another location. We can do different activities on computer using a mouse. It helps us to move mouse pointer and to select items on the screen. We can also draw pictures on the screen with the help of mouse. A mouse helps us to type text and play games. A mouse is used to drag and drop an object to another location. But here we will write only two functions of mouse. First, it helps us to move pointer and to select items on the screen. And second, a mouse is used to drag and drop an object to another location. Question number 2. What is a click? When any button of the mouse is pressed gently, it is produce sound of click. That is why it is called click. Clicking left button is called left click. Clicking right button is called right click. So here answer will be pressing a mouse buttons gently is called click. Question number 3. What is a double click and what is its function? Double clicking left button of mouse selects an item and opens or executes it. Double click is done by pressing left button of mouse twice. So, double click is done by pressing left button of mouse twice is called double click, and function is mouse selects an item and open or execute it. Now, what is the function of right click? When the right button of the mouse is clicked, it called right click. Clicking right button of the mouse display the properties of this selected item. Right click is not used for selecting and executing the program. So, answer is display the properties of the selected item. Next question is, what is dragging? When we move the mouse in the desired direction by holding left button pressed, it is called dragging. We use dragging to take the mouse pointer to select the time on the screen, or we can draw a picture by dragging mouse. Answer is moving the mouse in the desired direction by holding its left button pressed is called dragging. Now choose the correct option. First, a computer contains a left button, right button, scroll wheel and all of these. A mouse contains two buttons, left and right, with a scroll wheel in between two buttons. Mouse contains a left button, right button, scroll wheel. So here we will take on all of these. Number 2, to select and execute an item, we use left click, right click, double click and none of these. Double clicking left button of mouse selects an item and open or execute it. So here we will take on double click. Next, to display the properties of selected item, we press left click, right click, double click and none of these. Clicking right button of the mouse display the properties of the selected item. So here the answer will be right click. Now write T for true and F for false. First, a mouse is a pointing device. Yes, it is a pointing device. The mouse works in the same way to point an object on the monitor as your topic teachers demonstrate the topic by rod or laser light. So, it's true. Number 2, a mouse is used to drag and drop an object to another location. Yes, a mouse is used to drag and drop an object to another location. So, it's also true. Number 3 is right click is used to select and execute a program. Right click is not used for selecting and executing the program. So, it's false. Exercise has been completed and now learn the complete exercise and write down on your copy. Thank you student. See you soon on next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.